everyone, welcome to COVNA channel. This is Licky from COVNA Valve. My outfit today is my favorite color, COVNA Blue, which match the products we are going to introduce to you today. Today, I want to introduce you HK60 series explosion-proof electric ball valve. The explosion-proof electric ball valve is mainly composed of an explosion-proof actuator and a ball valve. The features of HK60 series explosion-proof electric ball valve are as below. The actuator has a good sealing performance, so it has a good explosion-proof performance. And it is widely used in power plants, oil and gas, chemical, shipyard, and other applications which require explosion-proof. And it is also available in manual control, signal control, and AC or DC power plants. Supports multiple communication protocols like RS-485. It is also fully closed, squirrel click, and in small size, large torque built-in overheat protection switch can prevent the electric actuator from breaking the motor and damage the motor when it overheats. And the design of the handle guarantees safety, reliability, labor saving. Okay, first of all, about the type of the explosion-proof actuators, we have three types, which are on-off type for fully open and fully closed functions. And the regulating type is can input the revamped power signal to control the valve opening and close, such as input a 4 to 20 mA signal and AC or DC power plants. And the third type is the intelligent type. You can realize RS-485 bars to control the valve. In short, explosion-proof actuator has internal servo operation and opening signal position feedback, position indication, manual operation, simple connection, and other functions. Secondly, for the valve body, different sizes and the materials are available. For example, stainless steels such as 304, 316, 316L, and also for WCB, cast iron. And for the French connections standards, we can also provide GB standards, AMSI, DIN, JIS standards are all available. Thirdly, the explosion-proof electric ball valve is suitable for flammable and explosive gas, liquid, dusty, and other mediums. It has the advantage of in small size, lightweight, reliable performance, simple matching, and large circulation capacity. The explosion-proof grade is BT4, and this is the certificate of the explosion-proof. And the protection grade is IP67, and it can be equipped with the on-site control device. Explosion-proof electric ball valves are widely used in chemical, metallurgy, light industrial, papermaking, power station, refrigeration, and other industry. Of course, in addition to the French valve, you can also choose valve body with different structures according to your different application, such as the sealed ball valve, and also the butterfly valve, and also the global valve, gas valve are also available. Okay, the above are some brief introduction introductions about the explosion-proof electric actuator. If you want to know more details, please do not hesitate to contact us. Okay, thank you. See you next time. Bye.